Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tech videos. Hey everyone, and it's finally here. The Mate 20 Pro is on my table, and without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you'll see a triple camera setup on the back. This is inspired by the headlights of Porsche. You also get a glass back on the back and on the front as well. This glass back supports the wireless charging and also a reverse wireless charging, which will be able to charge other wireless phones from this phone. So this would act as a wireless charging pad, a good feature from Huawei. On the sides you'll be getting a red power button, the volume rockers. There's nothing on this side. On the bottom you'll see a SIM ejection tray. You'll also get a downwards facing speakers from this USB Type-C port. You'll be getting two microphones on the bottom. On the top you'll be getting an IR blaster as well as a secondary microphone. Coming to the screen, this is a 6.4-inch OLED display, and this notch has a purpose. Finally, this is supporting the Face ID, and finally the Face ID comes to Android, and it's really fast. I will be giving you a demo in a bit. This also supports the in-display fingerprint reader, the first from Huawei. This is now becoming a trend after Oppo released its phone with the in-display fingerprint reader. Coming to the specifications, this has a 6 GB RAM, 128 gigs of memory, a 4200 milliamp battery. That's 5% more than the last years of Mate 10 and the current Note 9. It also has a 7nm chipset, which is first from an Android device maker, the Kirin 980 processor, which will have a blazing speed as per Huawei. So we'll be testing that out as well in our comparison video with the Note 9. So first of all, let's test the Face ID of this phone. So you see that's really fast. We'll do that again, and it opens within a second. We'll also be testing out the in-display fingerprint reader. Boom, that was really fast. Let's see in this mode, that was really fast as well. So this has a really fast fingerprint reader, which I'm really glad that I got my hands on. And coming to the camera, there's a triple camera setup as mentioned earlier, a 40 megapixel primary camera, a telephoto sensor that's of 8 megapixel, and the monochrome sensor has been replaced with an ultra wide sensor, which is now of 20 megapixel. So I'm uploading some snaps. You'll be able to judge on how good this camera is. It follows the P20 Pro mode, which supported the night mode. The night mode is excellent over here. You can see from the snaps that I've taken. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next video, and be sure to have pressed that bell icon. Thank you.